Outside, the storm rages. Rain, wind, the chaos of life. But here, in this warm corner, by the furnace, there's peace. Hey, I'm Neha Jacob, and I welcome you to the Divine Furnace. Let's journey together from glory to glory. I started this because I know what it feels like to be broken, to feel like life has stripped away your strength. But I also know what it feels like to rise again, to discover a strength you didn't even know you had. This space is for souls like you and me, deep feelers, thinkers, survivors, who are learning that the storms don't destroy us, they shape us. Here you'll find warm conversations, gentle truths, and stories that remind you you are stronger than you think. Pain is not punishment, it's refinement. And no matter how far you've fallen, there is always a way to rise again. Think of this channel as a hope. Every episode, every reflection is a seed by the furnace, where we share hope and strength together. So, if you have ever felt lost, broken, or weighed down by life, this space is for you. Pour yourself a cup, settle in, and let's reclaim life together. Because, lovely soul, you are not alone, and your story isn't over. If this resonates in this weekend's podcast, we'll sit together by the furnace and talk about resilience, how to rise again even when life feels heavy. I'd love for you to join me there.